Welcome to 20 Car. The 2025 Lamborghini Huracan redefines the concept of a supercar with its meticulous design, cutting-edge technology, and blistering performance. At first glance, the bold lines, aggressive front fascia, and distinctive Y-shaped LED headlights exude Lamborghini's signature flair. The Huracan's aerodynamic enhancements, including a more sculpted rear diffuser and an active rear wing, not only elevate its aesthetics but also improve downforce and stability at high speeds. Under the hood, the naturally aspirated 5.2-liter V10 roars with a staggering 650 horsepower and 600 Nm of torque, allowing the car to launch from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds. Paired with a refined 7-speed dual-clutch transmission and all-wheel drive, the Huracan delivers unparalleled responsiveness and grip on both winding roads and racetracks. The inclusion of Lamborghini's LDVI, Lamborghini Dinamica Veicolo Integrata, system ensures seamless handling by anticipating driver inputs and adjusting the car's behavior in real time. The interior combines luxury and function, featuring premium Alcantara and leather finishes with customizable options. The 10.1-inch touchscreen infotainment system offers intuitive control, integrating navigation, Apple CarPlay, and advanced telemetry. Meanwhile, the cockpit's minimalist yet driver-focused layout amplifies the racing experience. Safety hasn't been overlooked, with cutting-edge features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a surround view camera system. Lamborghini also emphasizes sustainability, incorporating lightweight carbon fiber reinforced materials to enhance efficiency without compromising performance. Priced from $250,000, the 2025 Huracan faces competitors like the Ferrari F8 Tributo and McLaren Artura but stands out for its visceral driving dynamics and iconic heritage. Whether carving through mountain passes or turning heads on city streets, the Huracan is a testament to Lamborghini's unrelenting pursuit of perfection. This supercar is not just a vehicle, it's an experience, a legacy, and an icon reborn.